Good afternoon, all. I am D. Raja, Secretary of the Phoenix Science Club. Our Phoenix Science Club celebrating World Soil Day 2020. We are very proud to celebrate this event. Without soil, we are nothing. Without soil, there is no life in the world. So, soil is very important in our life. With due respect to the soil, our Phoenix Science Club celebrating this World Soil Day 2020. The theme of the World Soil Day 2020 is Keep Soil Alive, Protect Soil Biodiversity. This topic announced by Food and Agricultural Organization. By encouraging people around the world to engage in proactively improving soil health, the campaign aims to fight soil biodiversity loss. Every year, December 5 is celebrated as World Soil Day. To bring people's focus and attention on the importance of healthy soil, as well as stress on the importance of sustainable management of soil resources. In last year, 2019, the Soil Day was celebrated in more than 100 countries, nearly 500 events from various parts of the world. Now let us know about World Soil Day 2020. If the fertility soil is not ensured, it could threaten global food supplies and thereby food safety. Therefore, according to Food and Agricultural Organization, the World Soil Day is celebrated throughout the world. During this celebration, the campaign aims to raise awareness on the importance of maintaining healthy ecosystems by addressing the growing challenges in soil management, fighting soil biodiversity loss, and encouraging governments, organizations, communities, and individuals around the world. Okay, let us know about the history of World Soil Day. World Soil Day became an international day after the International Union of Soil Sciences, IUSS. It was recommended in 2002. Then, under the leadership of Thailand and within the framework of the Global Soil Partnership, Food and Agricultural Organization supported the formal establishment of World Soil Day. The FAO conferences unanimously endorsed World Soil Day in June 2013. It even requested its official adoption at the 68th United Nations General Assembly. As a result, in December 2013, the UN General Assembly responded by designating December 5, 2014 as the first official World Soil Day. Again, I'm repeating, the UN General Assembly designating December 5, 2014 as the first official World Soil Day. The day also corresponds with the official birthday of King Bhumibol Adulyadej of Thailand, who had officially sanctioned the event. In 2016, this day was officially recognized in memory and with respect for the monarch after he died in October 2016, working as the head of state for 7 years. The United Nations declared 2015 as International Year of Soils. The aim was to increase awareness and understanding the importance of soil for food security and essential ecosystem functions. Okay, let us unlock the secrets of the soil. Okay, there are many more secrets in the soil. We all know about Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci. Yes. His sayings about the soil. We know more about the movement of celestial bodies than about the soil underfoot. I'm again repeating, we know more about the movement of celestial bodies than about the soil underfoot. This is said by Leonardo da Vinci. Living in the soil are plant roots, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, mites, nematodes, worms, ants, maggots, insects, and grubs and larger animals. These are the organisms living in the soil. Let us know about the science of soil. Soil is made of about 45% minerals, 25% of water, 5% organic matter, and 25% of air. Okay, what is underneath the soil? Healthy soil has amazing water retention capacity. Every 1% increase in organic matter results in as much of 25,000 gallons of available soil water per acre. Then another fact is all of the soil microbes in 1 feet of soil weigh more than 2 cows. 1 teaspoon of healthy soil contains 100 million to 1 billion individual bacteria. Earthworm populations consume 2 tons of dry matter per acre per year. Healthy soil is key to feeding 9 billion by 2050. These are the facts researched and announced by several research organizations. We are collecting that facts and sharing it to you. Then the next one, we all know about the web of life. Like that, we have the soil food web. What is soil food web? How it is, how it appears. Plants are the plants with shoots and roots are feeding for the nematodes, root feeders. Then the nematodes ate by the arthropods. Arthropods ate by birds. Arthropods ate by birds and animals. And the nematodes, fungal and bacterial feeders, ate by nematode predators. Okay, the plant shoots and roots became as organic matter, water residue and metabolites from plants, animals, and microbes. That organic matter becomes made as bacteria. Bacteria consumed by protozoa, amoebae, flagellates, and ciliates. That protozoa food for nematodes. So this is the soil food web. First trophic level, that is photosynthesizers, that is plants. Then the second trophic level, decomposers. Then the third level is shredders, that is predators, grazers. And the fourth trophic level is high level predators. And the fifth level trophic level is higher level predators. This is the soil food web. Why are soils important? Soil plays a vital role in the Earth's ecosystem. Without soil, human life would be very difficult. Soil provides plants with foothold for their roots and holds the necessary nutrients for plants to grow. It filters the rainwater and regulates the discharge of excess rainwater, preventing flooding. It is capable of storing large amounts of organic carbon. Soil is important because it buffers against pollutants, thus protecting groundwater quality. It provides man with some essential construction and manufacturing materials. We build our houses with bricks made from clay. We drink coffee from a cup that is essentially backed soil, that is clay. Soils are important because it also presents a record of past environmental conditions. Soil functions are general capabilities of soils that are important for various agricultural, environmental, nature protection, landscape, architecture, and urban applications. Next, we are going to see about the main key soil functions. What are the functions of soil? Here I am listing 6 functions of soil. One is source of raw materials. The second is environmental interaction, that is storage, filtering, and transformation. And the third soil function is food and other biomass production. Fourth function is biological habitat. Fifth function is physical and cultural heritage. The last function is platform for man-made structures, buildings, highways. Okay, let us know about some facts of the soil. What is a healthy soil? A healthy soil is a living soil. Healthy soil maintains a diverse community of soil organisms that help to control plant disease, insect and weed pest, and form beneficial symbiotic associations with plant roots. What percentage of food comes from our soils? Soil is where food begins. It is estimated that 95% of our food is directly or indirectly produced on our soils. Therefore, food availability relies on soils. Okay, next fact is, in which layer of soil is most of the organic matter located? Most of the organic matter is located in topsoil. TOP, top soil. Soil organic matter is a substance which is vital for air, moisture, and nutrient retention. The soil organic matter plays an important role in sustaining soil fertility and hence in sustainable agricultural production. It is an additional source of plant nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and it improves the physical, chemical, and biological properties of the soil. The next fact is our soil hosts how much of the world's biodiversity? Soil is one of the nature's most complex ecosystems. It contains a myriad of organisms which interact and contribute to the global cycles that make all life possible. Okay, next fact is how many species of invertebrates can be found in a single meter square of forest soils. In a single meter square of forest soils, we can found over 1,000 species of invertebrates. Okay, next fact is a single gram of healthy soil contains how much of organisms? A single gram of healthy soil contains millions of organisms, including all vertebrate animals like earthworms, nematodes, mites, insects, fungi, and thousands species of bacteria and acetonomyces. And it is true, soil is helped to combat and adapt to climate change. Soil helps us to combat and adapt to climate change. The next fact is how much of percentage of world soils are estimated to be currently degraded. 33% of global soil is moderately to highly degraded through erosion, salinization, compaction, and acidification. Where is most of the world's organic carbon stored? Most of the world's organic carbon is stored in Earth's soils. Example, forest soil store a quantity of carbon equaling that of the global forest biomass, about 45% each. What percentage of the world's agricultural land grows crops that are wasted? Nearly 28% of the world's agricultural land crops that are wasted. On average, how long does it take for 1 centimeter of soil to form? I'm repeating the question. How long does it take for 1 centimeter of soil to form? On average, it can take 100 to thousands of years for 1 centimeter of soil to form. Okay, next is what is the average composition of soil? The average composition of soil is 5% organic matter, 25% air, 25% water, and 45% mineral material. And it is true, soils provide key ecosystem services that enable life on Earth. And the next fact is we come to our Pondicherry. We are living in Pondicherry. People living in Pondicherry having this type of soil. Soils in the area of Pondicherry have been classified into red soil, black soil, alluvial soil, and colluvial soil. The major part of soil is covered in Pondicherry is red soil of red sand, or we call it as red sandy or clay loam type. The soil found in Pondicherry region is sandy clay loam type. This is the soil found in Pondicherry. And what is the soil type in Tamil Nadu? The predominant soils of Tamil Nadu are red loam, laterite soil, black soil, alluvial soil, and saline soils. The major part is red loam. This soil occupies a large part of the state, particularly interior districts, including the coastal districts. What is the soil type found in India? On the basis of genesis, color, composition, and location, the soils of India have been classified into alluvial soils, black soils, red and yellow soils, laterite soils, arid soils, and saline soils and peaty soils, and also forest soils. These are the soils found in India. I'm assigning you to find an answer through this question. I'm asking you a question. You can find out the answer in your own. Which soil is best for growing paddy? We are eating rice. Okay, that is paddy crop. We are getting the rice from paddy crop. What is the which soil is best for growing paddy? This is the question I'm asking you. Okay, till now we learnt about the facts of soil, functions of soil, importance of soil, types of soil found in Puducherry, Tamil Nadu, and in India regions. Okay, and also about the history of World Soil Day and the theme of the World Soil Day 2020. All the information shared during this World Soil Day celebration organized by Phoenix Science Club. Okay, next, our what is our role in the celebration of this World Soil Day 2020? How do we celebrate World Soil Day? We can teach young children, young kids, or we share the information to our friends how to prepare soil for our garden or in our house for planting some trees or planting some plants. Okay, how to prepare soil. Okay, we have to prepare a rich nutrient soil. How can we prepare? Think and prepare and try to prepare a nutrient soil. Your suggestions are invited. Okay, I can I can tell how to prepare a nutrient soil, but you have to think. You have to ask from others. You have to ask your elders and find out what is a nutrient soil, how to prepare it. Okay, you go and search the answer and try to prepare a nutrient soil. And how do we celebrate the World Soil Day? The first one is how to prepare soil, a nutrient soil. The second activity we can do is a composting. Composting. How to create a compost? I tell the idea. Take a 2-liter plastic bottle, collect some dry leaves and some twigs, dry twigs, and um, cut it well into small pieces. Okay, pour some dry leaves in the bottle, 2-liter bottle, and put some twigs in the grass. The first layer is dry leaves, second layer is twigs, and pour some fruit scraps, vegetables and fruit waste in the twigs. Pour some soil from the garden into the bottle and add some dried cow dung manure into that bottle and add again the garden soil on the top of the layer. Okay, so 6 layers I told. First layer at the bottom of the bottle, dry leaves, dry twigs, vegetable and fruits waste. Fourth layer is soil. Fifth layer is cow dung manure, dried cow dung manure, and the sixth layer again the soil. After putting the layer into the bottle, 2-liter bottle, and pour some water, sprinkle some water on the top of the soil for moisture. Okay, for every 2 days, you take the bottle and rotate and mix it well. Within 45 days, you can get a good compost, that is manure. You can put it for the plant for nutrient. So we can create compost during this World Soil Day and teach some experiments to teach them how soil has other uses. Take some 2-liter bottles or 1-liter bottle, cut into half, pour some garden soil into that plastic bottle. We are reusing the plastic water bottle again and again. We are throwing the plastic bottle outside and it become waste, and it takes more years to decompose. Instead of throwing that plastic water bottle, you can cut the bottle at the top of the bottle and pour some soil into the bottle, and sow some seeds in the bottle and grow some plants, and you put it in your home inside also. You get fresh oxygen when the plant is growing. Okay, we can observe the plant. You can note down the experiment. Just you take a 2-liter bottle, pour some garden soil, and pour some uh, mustard seeds or fenugreek seeds in the bottle, sprinkle some water into it, and put it near the window. Okay, the first day the seed was sown. Second day, it chance to germinate, or the third day the seeds will germinate. Okay, note down the germination date. Okay, and after a week, after 7 days, you can note down the number of leaves. You take a scale and measure the height of the plant growth. You have to put the scale in the soil platform and measure up to the stem. That is the height of the plant. Count the number of leaves every week. After 30th day, you can measure the number of leaves, height of the plant. Take one leaf and put in the graph paper and count how many squares it covered. That is the leaf index area. Okay, we can explore many things using soil. Such type of experiments will made us to explore more and more. We become researchers. Soil scientists are